This is my review of a Solas impeller and wear ring, which I bought from Amazon from Titan Performance. This set includes a sticker, includes some instructions, includes the tools you're going to need. This tool here is designed to hold the shaft, the kind of drive shaft end of that shaft. You can put that in a vise or whatever. Deeper inside the box, we find a beautifully made stainless steel impeller. I think the pitch on this one is 1519. Comes with a cap, and it also comes with that little tool you need to tighten the impeller onto the shaft. Over here, I was a little interested in this one. This is a new wear ring and impeller housing. You'll notice that this one's made out of plastic. I'm assuming it's Delrin, hopefully not nylon. I didn't see too many opinions one way or the other online about this. I'm willing to take a shot. The factory impeller is only $150, the impeller housing is only $150, so this will be a cheap mistake if it is a mistake. Thank you very much.